Hey guys, I am here in Ragdoll Engine to climb the building because I have nothing better to do for content on my YouTube channel. So let's go. Alright, let's start climbing. This will probably take like a very long time, but it's all I got for content. Got to be very careful because I want to do this fast, but I also don't want to like fall from the window. It's been like 10 seconds. How far up have I gone? Oh, that's pretty far, but oh, there's a lot more. Alright, let's just keep going. Oh, alright. They should have like numbers to see what floor you're on. I'd probably be on like 78. I wonder how many floors this has. Probably like 500 maybe. Let's read the chat. Panda, you're not elf, you're coronavirus. You're on the floor. Haha, kidding. Wow, this is some high IQ conversations they're having. Like only people with a high IQ could say those very smart things. Sit your vast down. How to bypass the Roblox chat filter? Wait. I see the top of the stairs. That means that I'm probably halfway up this building. If I see the top of the stairs, because the top of the stairs is right there, and yeah, I'm right. I'm halfway up. All right, this is cool. Cats rule, rats drool. It's yeah. Are we there yet? Nope. Holy, I almost fell. If I fell, then... Oh, I see the top! I'm at the top. Well, it's done. And, I'm up. I climbed the whole building. Now it's time to end it all here. See, it took like 10 minutes to get up, and just 10 seconds to get down. Alright, well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.